Okay, your task for today is create or don't miss, create or and check what are all the objects we are having, and at least try to find try to insert at least 10 records in each and every object. Just select whatever the object you want. Whatever the object you want, select 10 objects. So like this in sales, you can see a number of objects are there, right? Select one object and insert 10 records. Blindly give some data. That means you'll get hands-on. That's it. Accounts, contacts, contacts. Click on new, give new contact. Some XYZ. Yes. Give all the details. All the details. Phone. So like this, in every object, select 5, 6, or how many objects you want. Select few objects and insert 10 records in each and every object, so that you can feel the hands-on. You can feel the hands-on. Don't miss it. Okay. So that it gives the practice to you. Okay. So I'm going to my application. Of types. Sales, can you tell me the process like campaigns to leads, then leads to account, contact opportunity? Yeah, we'll discuss in next session about this. How we'll convert it into, how the contacts and accounts has been related, how the leads will be converted into opportunity. We'll have the session separately. CRM tool, right? Yeah. We'll discuss accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, and the functionalities. Man, if you see setup, leads. We'll discuss all these things. Web to lead. How we'll generate a lead. Web to lead. From where we can generate a lead. Okay. So from this lead, we'll generate an opportunity. How we convert it. Okay. So this we will discuss. Okay. So this is classic navigation. Setup, build, create, app. This is classic navigation. Okay. Let's have a look in lightning version. Okay. Let's have a look in lightning version. I'm clicking switch to lightning experience. Lightning experience. 10 more minutes. So lightning experience. Here also sales application is landed by default. Okay. And in lightning experience, you can see these icons. Switching icon. Switch to classic. You can again have it to switch to classic by clicking this option. By clicking this, you can switch to Salesforce Classic. Okay. And here is the applications list. Application name. Click on this icon. View all app launcher. This is called app launcher. Okay. View all apps and view all items. Items are nothing but objects. App launcher contains all the existed apps and existed objects. Okay. These are all the existed objects. All apps. So service app, marketing app, cloud, we can say servicing cloud, service cloud, servicing app, lightning app. Where is our sales application? Okay. Sales console. Okay. Where is our app? Our app is not existed here. Or that we created in classic. Okay. So let's see how to navigate to apps, how to create in lightning, how to create application in lightning experience. Okay. Setup. You have to go to setup. Click on this icon, tool icon, setup. Setup. So In the lightning experience, we have three parts: administrative part, platform tools, settings. Again, I'm navigating how to navigate to setup environment. Click on this toolset icon. Click on setup. Will take you to setup environment. The setup home page. It contains three parts, mainly three parts: administrative parts, administration, platform tools, and settings. Platform tools and settings. Okay. Administration will work for managing profiles, managing users, email configurations. Okay. Platform tools, apps. We have to create app, right? App manager. So you can see in classic also we can see that in classic window, classic setup, will create apps. You can see the list of existed applications, right? In the same way, you can see the list of existed applications. List of existed applications. And here I have a column called app type. This is an extra menu in the Lightning experience. Extra menu. This app type describes the type of the application. We have two types of applications, like in Lightning experience and classic version. Okay. So MRF types. This we created in classic. We can upgrade to, if we click on upgrade to Lightning, it will upgrade simply. The extra thing will comes upgrading my custom app to Lightning. Okay. Extra word will come Lightning. You can customize it, but Lightning is mandatory because the variation has to be there. Click on just simply upgrade. So MRF types, Lightning. Our Lightning application has been created by simply upgrading our classic to Lightning. No need to write any code. No need to do anything. They have given the upgrade concept by clicking this simply a button. Simply upgrade button. See, for Lightning application there is no downgrade. So you note this point. Lightning applications cannot degrade to classic. Classic applications can upgrade to Lightning. That is key point. That is one point you have to remember. Okay, we cannot downgrade. We cannot convert Lightning to classic. We can convert classic to Lightning. That is what. Okay. App launcher. Now get to app launcher. Simply app launcher. Now you can see our application amount of tabs. Now get to app. See, whatever the objects we have created in classic version, those objects came in the Lightning version also. Lightning version also. Campaigns, accounts we have created with Sony right yesterday. Contacts. If you open contact, and you open like this. Details, related. So you can edit home phone. You can edit. Save. We haven't written any programs for to get this functionalities, right? Yeah. So, any doubts so far? Creating classic application, choosing the objects, converting our classic application to lightning application. So, when you post here, the demo will be, uh, sorry, what is the difference between lightning and classic? Lightning, uh, lightning is lightweight. Lightweight. I mean, the it's a newer version. They have upgraded from classic. They have upgraded their Salesforce product to lightning. I mean, new level. That is lightweight lightweight products. And the main difference is if you develop an application in classic, uh, to, it, somehow it is not completely compatible to the mobile app in classic. If we consider lightning, it is 100% compatible to the mobile application. If you develop an application in Salesforce Lightning, that will uh, that will come 100% compatible to the mobile. So you can easily, I mean, you can use as it is like a browser in mobile app. Yeah, PPT I'll share. How can I share it? Can I attach here? Participant can share. Here file attaches there. Okay. File attach. Share chat. File attach. No, it is a participant list. File attach. There is option here. Let's ask it. Comment section top. Comment section top. No, you are telling in Zoom or Salesforce? Zoom comments. Zoom group chat. Yes, I can see. You can able see my screen, right? You can unmute and talk. No problem. Okay.
What?
What is other topic we can discuss? So your task is create an application, um, add 10 records in each and every object, add 10 records in each and every object, and um, um, that's it. So task, right? Create application, add 10 records, all the objects, uh, convert classic to lightning, create new lightning application. So the navigation will be different in lightning. I'll show you. Important QAs difference between yeah difference between custom app and console app. We haven't discussed about the console app, right? I'll discuss just 5 minutes of topic. I'll show you. Lightning app. We'll create a lightning app, a new lightning app. So after that we'll move to go with setup, setup, setup. I'm creating new lightning application apps. App Manager, App Manager, New Lightning app, New Lightning app. So create like our application. um, Nerve that's given help. Some other applications like IC, ICS, ICS application. No problem. Description. You sell loan application, you can say loan application. If you want, you can upload an image. ICICI logo, I'll show you if you want it. ICICI logo. ICICI logo. Small size, I think. So, so this is the icon for our application, ICICI application. Okay. For the time being, just leave all those options as it is. Next, click on next. Standard navigation, desktop setup, all this for the time being, just leave it. We'll discuss later. Add utility items. So for our application, accounts, we need, I'm selecting accounts, contacts, contacts I'm selecting, leads I'm selecting. Look next, profiles, my profiles selected. For the time being, I'm selecting all the profiles, save and finish. So your ICICI Lightning application created. Go to app launcher, app launcher, app launcher. I see. See the icon has been changed from the Salesforce Cloud to and your accounts, contacts, leads. Three tabs we have, three objects we have selected. Those, and we can, if you want your customized tabs, objects, we can say. Let's see classic. So, any doubts in this? How to create a Lightning application?
Yeah, Pawan,
Yes.
here, where is the difference between the console app and
Yeah, yeah. I'll tell.
classic?
Yes, yes. Okay. See, in the business we have two parts. One is business generation application. One is service providing application. Okay. So service providing mostly will be interacted by the lower level people. I mean, in the sense, uh, users will interact to that application. That means the end user will generate the cases to the service, right? So as of for now, this will be using by the end user service application. Okay. Classic. I'm closing all other tabs. Just yes. You will get the difference. Just follow what I'm doing. Accounts, go on. Contact. For this account, contact. Contact. Cases. Cases. Second. Console application uses the feature like will works as a user friendly. That is all cases. See for this contact, we have cases. When I click on the case, I'm missing the contact information, right? So again, I have to go to contact, and I need to find the case belongs to uh, which contact, like account name. In the same way, account name. So actually, yeah, if you say console application will work like this, right? So that I'm creating a console application. Console. Same number of files. This time, just next. See the difference. The windows will open like this. We can easily navigate. There will be no confusion of when we navigate from contacts to cases. We are missing the contact information. So it will open in the single tab. I mean, if you click on a one case, under that case, it will open the. I mean, if you click on a contact, for that contact, what are the cases we have? That will open in a sub tabs. It will open like this. Once you navigate, you can come to know cases, console app, contacts. I think so. Not fully authenticated. Okay, just using these three objects. Okay. For the timing, just as it is, primary tab for all visible this thing. Save. Okay. See the cases. You see the navigation is completely different. The case dealer, I mean the case handler who is handling this case, will not confuse. You will not get confused. You can get all the details. Oh, yes, yes. See, for this contract, we have one case, but if you go details, we have another case also. If you open this case, this will open in the same tab line under this contract. So there will be no confusion. I mean, easy of navigation. Main purpose of console application is easy of navigation.
In that case, the console app is applicable to Lightning only.
Lightning is also same, works in same manner. Yeah, Lightning also
Clear.
will work like this one. Yeah. If you go another contract, it will open another new tab. So for this list that we have two cases. If you click on this case, if that case tab will open under this contact, under same contact, respective contact. So we can navigate from different contacts in different tabs. So like this, we can open number of. In previously in Classic, for every navigation we are for every new navigation we are losing the previous pages, right? So there will be a chance, there is a chance of confusing, and even the case dealer also, I mean case handler also, having the tough work. If we have multiple cases, as for example we are having two cases only, maybe the contact may be having 100 more than 10 cases or 15 cases, so they have to open all these cases, right? So this is the main advantage of console application, and that is the reason whenever we are creating a service related application, we'll choose console application in Classic.
Okay, for the user feasibility, they design like that.
Yes,
Clear,
yes.
Pawan. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
So these are the our agenda is completed for today. So if any queries, just let me know. I'll try to
Hello,
answer it. Yes, yes.
I want to know that data is saved in cloud or can we see in our laptop also?
Laptop. No, no, no. Data
Yeah,
will be
laptop is
saved.
just
No, no, no. See, I'm just using the application or software which is available in internet.
okay,
Okay, and
okay,
whatever I am saving my data in this software, in this
yeah,
application, that will be saving in internet means that will remote location, which is not in my
okay.
personal laptop, which is not in my personal room. Okay, so this is a cloud application. Cloud application means this application is located in Salesforce data centers. Data centers.
Okay.
So this data is will be storing in Salesforce data centers, not in our premises.
So Salesforce Cloud, it will take some charges for saving our data if we are using our application in
Yes, yes.
commercial purpose.
Yes, yes. So this is a trial version, right? I mean trial license for us. So if you want to commercial, we'll buy the license. Yesterday we have shown, right, editions and licenses. Editions.
And presently, which version we are using for Salesforce admin, like PD1?
I think PD1 or PD2 it is going on. I don't have that information.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. If we have developer means developer, we can check simply going to developer console. You can see here text version and lightning version.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
How to find which release going on home screen?
The text is 48 version. How to find which release is going on? Let me move to class again. Switch to learning experience. Twenty. You can see that icon, right? 20. This is our current version. It's a winter. We have three versions, right? The versioning concept not yet discussed. We have yearly three versions: winter, summer,
Spring.
yeah, spring.
But
Yes.
it's a image only. We can view only image, but name of the version release.
Name of the version. Come. Let's see. Licenses, right? You want version number, right?
Pawan, it's there only on the. Can you navigate to the page?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, on the right side you can see Spring 20 for developers. Below that, yellow color. Below that, yellow
Okay.
color. Yeah, that's the
He wanted
thing what
some.
we are using for today.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
And so I want to know that in a interview process, they are asking for lighting classes.
Lightning.
They are asking for to write lighting classes
Ah,
in
yes,
it. So they are asking for some logical questions also.
yes. Okay. Yeah, actually, by this year, the classic they're stopping the support also. Salesforce is stopping the support for the classic, so everyone has to upgrade to license Lightning. So they'll consider Lightning only. But the administrative part, the configuration part is quite common in classic and Lightning. The navigations only will be different. The functionality and features all are same in Lightning expression and experience in classic. So when it comes to Lightning, the development part will be different. In a classic, we have Apex classes, Visual 4 classes. Lightning, we have completely RF framework. RF framework, we have to use. You have to, there is no Visual Force tools concept in Lightning, development in Lightning. When we discussing in Lightning, I'll show you some examples. We'll write some programs in Lightning. Have the time permits, so I'll start Lightning class.